Audio engineering tricks that just make sense, part 44. If you're not hip to Flock Audio's Patch and Patch app, well, you should be. What this is a digitally controlled analog patch bay. Now, I do want to stress, there is no digital conversion that happens within this unit. Everything that happens is analog. The digital aspect is for control only. In this situation, we've got the Flock Audio patch controlling all of these various 500 series units, being able to easily patch them into our Pro Tools session. Patch app is set up like your DAW's insert section, allowing you to drag and drop pieces of hardware as if they were plugins. This kind of open matrix format allows you to be creative really easily. You just drag and drop the hardware and create new patches. Having the digital control allows you to save sessions, save signal change, and even do multing super easily. There's also I/O right on the front of the unit, as well as the ability to pass phantom power in case you want to demo out a microphone. Along with saving and exporting signal chains as well as full sessions, you can also save and export your I/O. So if you're on a plane traveling to a studio somewhere, they can send you their I/O, and then you can patch everything on that plane, walk into the studio, and have everything already patched and ready to go. Would you use something like this? Let me know in the comments. Otherwise, follow for more audio engineering tricks that just make sense.